The thing about new versions of Windows is this. They look disgusting. Anyway, the reason you clicked on this video is to make your Windows 10 look like this instead of like this. Well, I actually have a couple of pretty nifty things that'll make your Windows 10 experience just that much more nostalgic. We're not going to be going over every single one of them today, but there are individual tutorials for these things. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, grab your Windows XP theme remix, and let's get right into it. So in order to make your computer look all clean and nice, you know, just like this, and if you want your file browser to look like this, how the old one used to look, all you're gonna have to do is download this pack right here. I'm sorry, wrong thing. This pack right here. This is the video file. Ignore that. Anyway, with this pack, what we're gonna be looking at is all of these things. So as you notice in this Windows 7 theme pack, we're going to be seeing a lot of these readme.texts. Like, I actually have the old soundbar right here. Check it out. It's pretty sweet. You hear that? You hear that? Okay, anyway, but if you want this old soundbar, all you gotta do is go into sounds. See how it says copy the sounds here? We do Windows 7 sound settings, and then we just copy this right into here. You drag it into there like that. But as you can see, everything has readme.txt, so all I gotta do is read this. But let's take a look at a different thing here. So how do we get the start button to do this? Now, if you don't know what this is actually a program called Classic Shell. And Classic Shell is pretty awesome, actually. It does a really good job of bringing back a much cleaner start menu. As you can see, if we go to start menu right here, all you gotta do is run this, and then it'll make you a tutorial. But you'll see if I go into my classic start menu settings, this is pretty much what you're gonna be met with. Alright, just select Windows 7 style and then replace your start button right here. You hit pick image and then you choose this image right here, this start orb.png. It looks like this. You just replace it with that and you're good. Now for the theme, now how do you make it look like this? How do you make it look all Windows 7-y up around the top and stuff like this? Well, that's pretty easy actually. So all you do is you go into theme right here and install Window Blinds 10. Once you're done doing that, just make an account. If you see, I'll launch Window Blinds 10 right here and I'm continuing my trial. All you need is a trial. It lets you make a bunch of new trials over and over again. But as soon as you have this set up, what you're going to do is you're just going to click on this right here. Just double click that and then it'll appear in Window Blinds as Better Arrow 7X. Select this and then click Apply Style to Desktop and you'll be looking all Windows 7-y and nice. As for how to get the File Explorer looking like this, all you're going to want to do is go to Old New Explorer and then install this right here. Looks like this. All you do is click Install at the top. If you want to uninstall it, click uninstall. It's just that simple. Anyway, if you're wondering how I got the Windows 7 icons like this recycle bin up here, all you got to do is go into the icons folder and then install the icon pack. It looks really nice and it just gives me a really nice nostalgia trip. I really love this start menu a lot better than this. Look at this. What is that? It's so like big. It takes up that much space. For what? Why does it take up that much? Look at this. This one's so much cleaner. It's just way better in so many ways and I think everybody should do this, right? Maybe not this thing, you might not have to go this far, but I just like going the whole way. And look at this right here. This is so much cleaner. Look at the sound. This is awesome. It even sounds nostalgic. Anyways, guys, this was how to make your Windows 10 machine look like Windows 7. Yes, I am on Windows 10, as you can see right here. Make sure you drop a fat like if you like this tutorial and join the Discord if you want to get this pack. This one right here. If you want this, you have to join the Discord for it. Or just click on the download link in the description. It doesn't matter. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.